Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change location on Facebook Marketplace. Alright, if your Facebook Marketplace is showing item from the wrong area, I'm going to show you how to change your location using just your iPhone. First, open the Facebook app. Now tap the Marketplace icon at the bottom. At the top of the screen, look at your current location. It usually shows a city name or saying something like nearby. Tap on the location. Now you will see a map at the top. Tap change location. Either type in a new city or zip code or move the pin on the map with your finger. Once you pick the new location, choose how far you want to search. You can set the radius like 5 miles, 20 miles, 50 or more. After that, tap apply. Your marketplace will now refresh and shows the item from the near area. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.